Hi student, myself Salve Prakash, Associate Professor, Geography, Department of Geography, रयत शिक्षण संस्था महाराजा जिवाजीराव शिंदे महाविद्यालय श्रीगोंदा, डिस्ट्रिक्ट अहमदनगर, affiliated by Savitribai Phule, Pune University, Pune. Now today we discuss FY BSc choice based credit system syllabus to implemented from academic year 2019 to 2020, semester first, paper first. The title of paper, Introduction to Physical Geography. Paper first, unit first, Introduction to Geomorphology and point sub points, geological time scale. Okay, now let us come to the points. Geological time scale. The geological time scale is the system of chronological measurement that related the stratigraphy to time and use geologist, paleontologist and other earth scientists to describe the timing and relationship between events that have occurred throughout early history. The table of geological time span present here agree with nomenclature. Okay, the evidence from ratio metric dating indicates that Earth is about 4.54 billion years ago. Yeah, the geology of the Earth past has been recognized into various units according to events which took place in each period. The whole geological history of the Earth has been divided into 5 eras. The last time divisions of the Earth history has been terms eras as follows. This first, Precambrian periods. The Precambrian periods here, 0 to minus. Okay, these periods started 700 million years present. The Earth changes from gaseous state to liquid state. The solid under the crust was formed due to cooling and solidification of liquid materials. This phase was followed by formation of dense atmosphere surrounding the Earth. Due to gradually but continuously cooling and contractions of the Earth and resultant condensation of water vapor, there began a precipitation process which ultimately resulting into the formation of river and seas. The sequence of warm climate was broken by many glacier periods. The rock were subjected to heat of pressure. Here. And the Cambrian period. The Cambrian period listed from 600 million years before present to 500 million years before present. The Earth's surface was characterized by shore, sea and the land areas were frequently by transgressions and regressions of characterized by warm and uniform climate. Elevations of plant was still confident to the sea only. Most of the hybrid animal, including the 1,000 species, were in evolved in the sea, but not found depending on marine grasses for their foods. No land animal would evolve during these periods. Okay. Then the quaternary periods is the current of the most recent of three periods of chronology: Cenozoic era in the geological time scale of the International Commissions of Stratigraphy. It follows the Neogene's periods and span from the 2.588 plus minus point not not 5 millions year ago of the present. The quaternary periods is divided into two epochs: the year of Pleistocene, majorly 2.588 million year ago to 11.7 thousand year ago, and the Holians near about 11.7 thousand year ago to today. The informed terms let quaternary refer to the past zero point 0.5 to 1.0 millions year ago. The quaternary periods is typically defined by the cycle, growth and decay of continental ice sheet associated with Milankovitch cycle and the associated climate and environmental changes that occurs. Then the Pleistocene periods here, second period Pleistocene uh, is the geological epoch that lasted from about 25 lakh 80,000 to 11,700 year ago, spanning of the world most recently period of repeated glaciation. The end of the Pleistocene correspond with the end of the last geological period and also with the end of the Pleistocene age used in archaeology. And the Pleistocene is the first epoch of quaternary periods or periods of sixth epoch of chronological era in this ICS time scale. The Pleistocene is divided into four stages of age: the Jalesian, Calabrian, Chambanian, and Upper Pleistocene. This is the four stages. In addition to these international subdivisions, various regional subdivisions are often used. And the before of change finally confirmed in 2009 by International Union of Geological Science. The times boundary between the Pleistocene and the preceding Pliocene was regarded as being at 1.806 million years before present, as opposites to currently accepted 2.58 million years before present. Publications from the preceding years may use either define of the periods. Next period, Calabrian period. These periods is subdivisions of Pleistocene epoch of the geological time scale defined as 1.8 million years ago to 7,81,000 years ago, plus minus approximately 5,000 years, a period of 1.19 million years. The end of the stage is defined by the last magnetic poles, rivers and plugging into ice and global drying, possibly colder and drier than the late Miocene through early Pliocene cold periods. Originally, the Cambrian was European funnel stage, primarily based on mollusk fossils. It has become the second geological age in the early Pleistocene. Many of the mammalian funnels assemblage of the early Pleistocene start in the Gelasians. For example, the Pleistogene and other Blanchcan fauna, where the first is glaciation. Another eras, Cenozoic. The Cenozoic era, meaning new lives, is currently the most recent of the three geological eras of the Paleo uh, Paleozoic econ. It following the Mesozoic era and extended from 66 million years ago to the present day. It is generally believed to have started on the first day of the Cretaceous Paleogen's extinctions events when the asteroid hit its Earth. The Cenozoic is known as the age of mammals because the extinctions of many groups of allows mammals to greatly diversify so that the large mammals dominated the earth. Continents also move into their current position during this era. Early in the Cenozoic following the Keepage extraction events, most of the fauna was relatively small and including the small mammals, birds, reptiles, and amphibians. From the geological perspective, it did not take long for mammals and birds greatly diversified in the absence of large reptiles that had dominated during the Mesozoic. A group even known as the terror birds grow larger than the average human and were the formidable predators. Mammals come to occupying almost every available both marine and terrestrial, and some also grow very long, attaining size not seen in most of the today mammals. Now next periods, uh, Phanerozoics period is current geological eon in the geological time scale and the one during which abundant animals and the plant life has extinct is covered near about 541 million year to the present and begin with the Cambrian period when animal first developed hard shell preserved in the fossils records. The time before the Paleozoics, called the Precambrian, is now divided into the Haddon, Archean, and Proterozoic eon. The time span of Phanerozoic start with the sudden appearance of the fossilized evidence of the number of animals phyla, the evolution of those phyla into diverse from the emergence and development of the complex plants, the evolution of fish, the emergence in insect and tetrapods, and the development of modern fauna, plant life on lands appeared in the early Paleozoic epoch. During this time span, tectonic force caused the continental to move and eventually collect into the single landmass known as Pangaea, which then the separated into the current continental landmasses, the seven landmasses. Let's say the primary defined divisions of time and periods called eon. The first eon was Hadens, which is the earth of the moon, were formed, lasting 600 million years until the Archean, when the earth had cooled enough for continental and the earliest known life to emerge after 2.5 billion year. Oxygen generated by organism appearance in atmosphere marking the beginning of Paleozoic. Finally, the Phanerozoic eon encompasses 541 million years of diverse abundance of multicellular life, starting with the appearance of hard animals shells in the fossils record and continuing continuing to the present. Econ are divided into eras, which are the turn divided into periods, epoch, and ages. The first three, that is the all of the Phanerozoic, can be referred to the collectively as the Precambrian, Superian. This is the reference to the significance of the Cambrian explosion, a massive diversifications of multicellular life forms the took place into the Carbonian period at start the Phanerozoic periods. The following fourth periods, four timelines show geological time scale. The first show the entire time from the formation of the earth to the present. But these give little space for the most recent econ. Therefore, the second timeline shows the expanded view of the most recently econ in a similar ways. The most recent era is expanded in the third timeline and the most recent periods expanded in the fourth timelines. Okay. Now first chapter is completed. In this chapter, taken the material, the reference books, majorly the photographs taken from www.google.com, and the material, some of material collect from the www.wikipedia.org. Okay, thank you.